What's good, family? It's your boy, Sir Willoughby, the Stock Hustler, and welcome back to the Hustle House. And today we got some good information for you. I'm hoping that you had a great week this week. My week has been fantastic. I can't complain at all. Made some money in the market, made some good moves. Stock market was closed yesterday, so we got a little mental break from that. So we good on that part. I hope you came back refreshed for Friday, refresh over this weekend so we can get ready to make some more money on Monday. You feel what I'm saying? If you like what I like, then hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. So when I come in and drop some plays, you can go hustle. You can be tuned right in every time I come drop them. I know last week I brought you guys, earlier this week I brought everybody AMD play. I got an update on the AMD. We're going to talk about why the market is crashing. One time I want to just say that the market is down, and it's been selling off tremendously since Wednesday. And if you're a new investor, you would be real fearful right now. And I can see why you would be fearful when you see a lot of red in the market, you lose money. You get kind of scared. But if you're a seasoned investor and you've been in the game for a while, right now it's blankly nothing but opportunity for us to get in the market and to start the plays we missed out on. It's time for us to get in, grab those plays at these cheap prices, and we can come back in, rinse and repeat, and catch the slingshot back up on these plays. Is the market still in the uptrend? Yes, the market is still in the uptrend. Is it bleeding off just a little bit? Yes, it's bleeding off. All like I said earlier this week, we should get some more red up until the inauguration, but just find good opportunity in the market. If you can catch some of these plays at the bottom, if you catch some plays that ran up 50% last year and they're down 20%, I think you should, I know I am, and I'm going to take advantage of all these plays. And I got one I'm finna bring to the family. But first, let's get an update on the market and let's see what's going on. All right, we're going to check out the heat map. Gonna check out the heat map right now, man. And it's like I said, red. It's bleeding off. Every sector right now is kind of red. You got the tech sector bleeding. You got Microsoft down 1%, Google down 1%. Meta still kind of hanging in there because they're playing the news of TikTok being banned today. But with TikTok trying to Supreme Court banning TikTok, Meta and Snap can really take off and take a good advantage of that crowd leaving. We're gonna talk more into that in a few. You got excuse me, I'm sorry about that. You got NVIDIA down 3%, Apple down 2.61%, got AVGO down 2.48%, AMD is down 5% on the day. Yeah, she bled off kind of hard today. You got Amazon down 1%. You have the producer manufacturer sector taking a beating right now. You got finance been taking a beating all year right now. So we're going to check some finance plays out. I like when the banks bleed off because I can get in there, see some opportunity and try to catch the run up. Consumer service sector is down. So everything is kind of red today. There's a lot of fearful investors in the market leading up to the inauguration. And let's see what the market is doing. Let's go to Yahoo Finance. Let's check it out. Oh man, I'm sorry. Screen didn't pop up. Forgive me. So we go over here to Yahoo Finance, and we looking at the S&P, the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the Russell have all bled off. The down 1%. You got the S&P down 1.5%. 1.50%. You got Dow down 1.62%. The Nasdaq down 1.63%. You got the Russell down 2.2%. That's the small caps. The VIX is up 8% on the day. You got the VIX up to $19. Anytime I ever see the VIX over $20, the market's selling off bad. Over $18, the market is selling off bad. Anytime the VIX is over 18, the market is selling off bad. Excuse me, I'm sorry about that. So with that being said, we're not gonna be fearful. We're gonna find opportunity, and we're gonna see how we can be smart investors here. So like Warren Buffett said, when everybody's fearful, that's when you be greedy. When everybody's greedy, that's when you be fearful. So let's check out the fear and greed index. All right, we got the fear and greed index. The fear and greed index is extreme fear right now. It's very extreme fear right now. I mean, not extreme fear. They're very fearful right now. I'm sorry. It's at 28. You got the market at fearful. That's a 33. So that's kind of bad. That's kind of bad. When the market is fearful like that, everybody's selling. So we gonna look in and try to find us some opportunity. Fair and greed index is at 28. So that's a extreme good opportunity for us to come in and see what we're going to take advantage of today. And I got a good bottom play that we're going to look into and we're going to take advantage of today. We're not going to be fearful. We're going to get in the market and we're going to be greedy when everybody's fearful of selling their shares, and we're going to get them cheap and we're going to pick them up and we're going to catch the run to the top. When I say we, I mean me. This is not no information for you to buy, hold, or sell your securities. This is information for me and my company. I take the information that I use and how I make money, and I just come to YouTube and inform the people about what I know. No information at all whatsoever for you to buy, hold, or sell your securities. All right, let's check out this play. This is the play I'm bringing to you today. We're going to look into Snapchat. Yes, Snapchat. And we playing Snapchat off the Supreme Court news today. I haven't checked in with the news, but we can see on this article today, Snapchat is up 3%. It ran up 10% this morning, eventually sold off, and it's kind of selling out around the $12.50 range. It hit a high $13.28 today, so that was pretty good. Let us know where it wants to go. You got Snapchat up 12% on the week. That's pretty good. You got them up 1%, 1.40% on the month, and they're down 24%. They're down 24% in the last 6 months. So when I see that, I see opportunity. When I see that, I see opportunity. So this is why Snapchat ran up 10% today. You got TikTok bans head for Supreme Court today. What it means for Meta stock, Snap, Oracle stock. So as TikTok heads to the Supreme Court, let's see what it says. Investor Business Daily say the Supreme Court heard argues Friday that could decide the future of TikTok in the U.S. If TikTok is indeed banned later this month, there is likely to be ramifications for TikTok competitors. As I'm sorry about that. These ads. I don't like ads. Where I was at. The ramification for TikTok competitors such as Meta platforms and social media stocks. Another stock to watch is Oracle, which provides cloud services to TikTok. Oh, okay. They could be selling off. They could, if they get banned, Oracle may be a put play. That may be a good put play. The Supreme Court heard argues ahead of January 19th date that a law banning the short video app would take effect, signed by President Joe Biden last spring. The bipartisan support the laws required China-based data ByteDance to sell TikTok's U.S. operation to another company. If it doesn't, the app will be banned. TikTok is challenging the law on the First Amendment grounds, calling the potential ban unprecedented censorship for the more than 170 million users in America who use this app. So there's going to be a significant loss in that TikTok's revenue. Over the more 2 hours oral arguments Friday, the U.S. Solicitor General defended the law as Act Congress, that is the U.S. national security. So they think that TikTok is basically, because it's a Chinese company and it collects a lot of data on the American users, that it's a national security to America. TikTok's attorney argued the law violates free speech and TikTok resistance content manipulation from China. The New York Times reported the following hearing that the Supreme Court seemed inclined on Friday to uphold the law, with the decision expected quickly. So if they don't ban TikTok, it could be a potential boost. If they do ban TikTok, definitely could be a potential boost for Meta and Snap. So let's go into this other article. Let's see what it was talking about. All right. Here's why Snap stock is a buy despite a 27% dip this year. So Snap been down 27%. This article was produced on January 8th. It's a Wednesday, so it's a little late behind, but it definitely got some good information. Despite experiencing a 27% decline over the past year, Snap continues to demonstrate remarkable resilience and strategic execution. The company's third quarter 2024 performance marked by a 15% year-over-year revenue increase to $1.37 billion. So Snap revenue is increasing off of ads, subscriptions, and the new web-based services that they got on their platform. I'm not a Snapchat user, so you guys let me know in the comments what you think about Snapchat, new updates, the advertisement. If you're a subscriber to some of the subscriptions, let me know how they go and how they flow. How for you, drop it in the comments and let me know. But it says with the projected fourth quarter revenue between 1.50 billion, 1.56 billion, suggesting 11 to 15% growth in the Zach's estimate, forecasting 16% revenue growth to $5.36 billion for 2024. So that's going to be a strong momentum move for Snap if they can come in with some great earnings like that. This is what Zach's predicament is. It says for earnings, it's paying a 25% share in that, robust of 170% growth year over year. So even though that the stock is not doing good right now, the company is doing great. The company is doing great. Even though a stock may not be doing good, a company can be doing great. And it could be vice versa. A company may not be doing good, but a stock may be doing great. So it's all about you. If you're looking for an investment, I would love for my company to always be doing good. And I would love for the stock to be doing good also. But if it's not, and I know I got a good company, I know eventually my stock will catch up to my company. So that's what we got for it says AI innovation driving monetization. Okay, this is a big one. Snap's aggressive implementation of AI across its platform represents a significant competitive advantage and the growth catalyst. The company's AI-powered chatbot has been engagement triple quarter over quarter, while AI-enabled features in Snapchat memories and advertising optimization demonstrate practical monetization for this technology. Despite challenges from Apple's iOS privacy changes, Snaps enhances first-party measurement solutions, and the AI-driven advertising improvements have helped maintain advertiser confidence, evidenced by the doubling of active advertisers year over year. So they got AI on their platform now, so that's great. Twitter got Gronk. You got Meta got their own AI embedded on Instagram, and Facebook. Apple got on the enhanced AI. Got Google enhanced AI. Bing even got an AI service. So everybody's implementing AI for their platform. So that's great for Snapchat to finally start catching up to the rest of the big social media platforms. I think they can be a real good competitor here. So let's go check out why I feel like Snap is a good buy right now. I think Snap is a good buy right now, and the analysts also think Snap is a good buy right now. They say 70% should hold, 29% you should buy. Right now, Snap is currently trading around the 1280, 1250 range. This was actually screenshot taken before the market. The market's closed. That's, as you see, that's a little different right now. But as you can see, it says it got a high price target at $18 right here, and it's currently at the $12 range. It got a low of 11. It's currently will be a fair value at $14. And this thing can seriously go to 18. I can see Snap going to $17, $15. That's my price target for it when I get in this play. And then I'm taking what the analyst is saying. I see 18. We got good opportunity right here in Snapchat. So we got analysts when they drop their price targets. You got Bank of Securities got $14 price target. You got JPMP Securities, they talking about $16. You got RBC Capital, they talking about $16. You got Gunham says it's worth 13 is currently where it's at. That's probably good fair value. You got Citi saying it's a whole at $13, and you got Loop Capital saying, hey, give us a buy right now, and we see Snap going to $16. We take this information with a grain of salt, but the analysts and the institutions see that Snap is a good buy. Some of them see that it got a little growth. Some of them see that it's fair, but a price target of $16 kind of hit around the range what I was hitting at. $15 to $17 is what I'm looking for Snap to increase in price from where it's at now today. The technical sentiment says that Snapchat is very bullish in the next month. So we got a bullish sentiment right here, and you're seeing 9 bullish signals on the chart that Snapchat has. I didn't get that in the screenshot, but that's what I had got. So at the time of this recording, Snap was up 4%. So you got a good bullish sentiment. So everything is pointing to the upside for Snapchat to kind of take off. And this is I feel like will only play out if TikTok do get banned. If TikTok do not get banned, I don't know if this is gonna play out the way that I'm predicting it to play out. And it's okay. That's why we always set our risk management and be prepared. We don't be scared, we be prepared. All right, so when I look at the market and the industry for Snapchat, I see that the PS ratio, it's the price to sell ratio. PS is the price to sell ratio, and its current PS is 3.9. The industry average for this type of industry that Snapchat is in is 7.9. So they completely are undervalued for the sector that it's in. You got the PE ratio sitting around -20.76. The industry value for it is 26. So it's very, very undervalued right now. And this thing can really shoot up to where it's at. I can see the PE and I'm sorry, excuse me, family. I can see right now that the PE ratio do need to catch up to the industry and the industry standards. And if TikTok get banned, I'm pretty sure that that traffic is gonna go over to Snapchat. And that should bring the P ratio up to fair value. All right, so looking on Moomoo, using the Moomoo tools, I also came across the unusual activity for options. The unusual activity for options on Moomoo is going to give me what the big money is buying. It's going to let me know when they're buying. So this was on Wednesday, January 8th. A lot of good calls came in for Snapchat, and it's big money. If you see that right there, January 8th, you got the $15 call for 10,000. You got the $11 call for he's in the money. We got for 70 for what that's 710,000. Yep, 710,000. He bought $11 call. Got the $10 call for 239,000. These people are already in the money. Banking probably took their profit and went home. You get what I'm saying? So you got also right here, you got a $17 call. This is the one that caught my attention. The $17 call right here caught my attention because you got that he put $500,000 on a $17 call. Whoever that Will is put $500,000 on the $17 call. You got another $500,000 on the $17 call right below that. So that's $1,000,000 on a $17 call. Somebody see that this thing can go to $17 real soon. So I'm banking on it $17. If you're going back on the $17, you get what I'm saying? It's all about how you perceive the information. And I perceive the information saying that, hey, I can buy a leap option and I can get into Snapchat, and Snapchat can potentially hit $17. And that's what I'm seeing. So this is what I got for the chart, people. On the chart, we looking for Snapchat. If you're looking to enter this on some shares, if you're looking to enter this for some shares, I see Snapchat taking profit around up at 1450 to 1745 range. I can also see my buy zone right here. My buy zone is between 1185 and 1350. I really want to try to buy in this range, but if it don't go to that range and it continue to pull back down and start to pull back down and reverse, I'm looking at my stop loss at 1075 and $11. That's if I get into options. But if I'm looking at this as an investment, I'm looking to add more shares below $9. So anything below $9 and $10, I'm looking to add more shares for Snapchat in this range. So buy range, add more, take profit. $14.50, $17. This is the daily chart. Let's check the weekly out. The weekly kind of giving me the same type of vibe. The weekly chart is trading in this range right here. When you see it's trading in its good range, when it's trading that range, I can see that it's kind of consolidating on the weekly. We're looking for a break over. If we can get the breakout over the 1350 and get a counter close over 1350, Snapchat can easily run up to $15 to $17. Easy rocket. You get what I'm saying? It's an easy rocket when you trade with the charts and not with your heart. You can see you got the MACD crossing at the bottom right here, and you got the volume trying to come up. RSI still neutral with the small potential run up. RSI still neutral, but you also can see why I say take profit at the 14.40.50 to 17.45 range. It's because if you look right up here, you see right here at the 14.45, it hit that wall 2 times. It hit that wall 2 times. When it hit that wall twice, it both shot down immediately. They both hit that wall and bled down. So if I see it going up past 1750, 1730, I'm looking to take profit right there immediately. I might not sell completely out the play, but I'm looking to take profit because history already shows when it hit that mark, it breaks down. If this thing break over 1750, it could easily go up to $18-20 easily. So this is how I'm playing Snapchat, and I'm looking to get shares. I'm looking to get options. Now, if you're in the Discord, you definitely gonna get me on those plays. When I get in those plays, you definitely gonna be up. And like I promised, I got an AMD chart updated. AMD sold off, so let's check it out. I got an update chart for AMD right here. AMD, I'm still looking at the same thing. She gapped down to 114. I know. But I said if you don't get in this play, if you get in this play, wait for it to break over 135 for the options. But if you get in this play for shares, try to accumulate in the 125 to 135 range. She broke down to my ad zone. See right here, I got into AMD the other day. I bought high about at 125, but I also bought right down here at 114. If I'm gonna buy at 125, I'm definitely gonna buy at 114. 114 is the 52-week low on AMD. So right now, I'm definitely buying down here in this area. I'm adding more because I see AMD as a long term, not a trade right now. I'm investing in AMD because they are behind in the chip company. This is what I'm doing. Like I said before, this is no information for you to buy, hold, or sell your securities. This is what I'm doing and what my company doing. This is how we make money. So at the 115, 114 range, I am buying AMD. I don't anticipate it to break below. So if you like that and you like the information that I give you and you want to learn more, hey, click the link in my description and go ahead and sign up for the introduction to Wall Street Masterclass that I have coming up January the 26th, 2025. Seats are limited. Hit the link in the description. You can get in, you can start learning the basics, how to set your account up, what to look for in the market, the basic terminology, how to start your foundation, how to build your foundation and build your financial for wealth, not only just trade, but how to actually passively invest for long-term passive income and generational wealth for your family and your kids. So that's what we're doing over there at the Introduction to Wall Street. The masterclass, again, January 26th. Link will be in the description. If you're already an investor, you kind of season up and you need somebody to help you drop plays, find information in the market, don't be afraid to join the Stock Hustler University. This link in the description the link will be in the description below. Stock Hustler University mentorship, where you enter the family, join the community, and we get these plays alerted on the daily. We get these plays alerted weekly. When I enter plays, when I exit plays, wow. And you're gonna get this information before I drop the video. Let's just keep it like that. You feel me? So if you're a hustler and you're ready to start making money for 2025, the link will be in the description. Again, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, continue to tune in. I will continue to drop more videos. I will continue to drop more information on the stock market and the plays that I'm looking into and that I'm buying. You get what I'm saying? And again, I always remember motivation plus dedication equals progression. Let's go. I believe in you.